Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to use batch tracking on debtor invoices. Batch tracking is used to track a specific item's group of units. Each batch is linked to a lot or batch number from the manufacturer. This ensures that all items in a batch were produced with the same ingredients and packaging. If a recall is issued, you can trace which batch was given to which patient. This allows you to inform the affected patients and take immediate action. Batch tracking helps maintain high standards of quality, safety, and efficiency. Including batch numbers on debtor invoices ensures a complete audit trail. It supports fast traceability, accurate stock control, and regulatory compliance. It also builds patient trust through responsible and transparent care. Before we begin, please note that items must first be individually set up for batch tracking before they can be invoiced on a debtor. For a step-by-step guide on how to do this, please refer to the How to Set Up an Item for Batch Tracking user manual linked in this video's description. Furthermore, please also note that batch tracking only works if the information was added during the initial creditor invoice capture when the stock was received. For more information on this, please refer to the manual, How to Capture Batch Tracking on Stock Invoices. Now let's go through how to add batch tracking on a debtor invoice. On the invoice screen, bill a stock item as you normally would. If the item has been set up for batch tracking, the batch tracking screen will open. Click in the search lot number or barcode field and a drop-down menu will appear with the batch number linked to the item. Alternatively, you can search for the batch in the search field. Click on the desired batch and the selected batch will appear as a line on the batch tracking screen. Click on the quantity field and enter the number of items from the selected batch. Keep in mind that you can select more than one batch for the same item if needed. Let's say, for example, a patient is prescribed 30 glucophage capsules. If you only have 20 remaining from batch A, you will then take the remaining 10 from batch B. Select both batches in the system to complete the total quantity of 30. Ensure each batch is documented separately on the invoice and patient record. If dispensing, be sure to either label them clearly or use the shortest expiry date when combining. Click the Save button to save your batched items onto the invoice. Please note that if you bill a macro that includes multiple batch tracked items, a separate batch tracking screen will open for each item. You must load batch details for each item one by one.